Do you want to achieve your dream life, but it feels so far away and you've tried so many manifestation methods and nothing seemed to be working? It just hasn't showed up in your physical reality. Then today's episode is for you. I'm gonna teach you how to level up so fast that it feels like cheating. I now live my dream life. I am a content creator full-time, haven't had a job in 8 years. I'm together with my perfect partner. I live on the British countryside. I'm so blessed to have this life, but it wasn't always this way. And it took me a long time to achieve this. It wasn't until I realized that it's not about your effort. I thought the more effort I put in to achieving this dream life, the faster I will achieve it. But that's a very 3D way of thinking. Instead, you have to shed your old self and step into the new you. Because your old self, with its limiting beliefs, traumas, programming, will never get you to your dream life. Most people try to improve themselves while clinging to their old habits and identity. True acceleration happens when you release who you used to be. If you keep holding on to your old self, you'll stagnate, missing opportunities, wealth, and spiritual growth that are ready for you now. So by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to let go, connect with your soul, and level up faster than you ever thought possible. There are 3 steps to leveling up so fast that it feels like cheating. And the first one we touched upon, which is letting go of your old self. So what you want to do is to visualize this new you. This you who have achieved everything on your vision board. And if you don't have a vision board, create one. You can do it for free on Canva. So think about what habits would they have, what thinking, what's beliefs, what's their personality traits, and then start living like that today. Literally fake it till you make it, right? And listening to affirmations can really help with that. I do this on my walk every day. I put in headphones and I've literally recorded my affirmations saying things like, I'm confident, I'm present, all these things that the future Julia already has. Let's affirm this new version of you in the comments. I release my old self and step into my highest version. Step 2 is meditate to hear your soul's guidance. When I introduced daily meditation into my life, it really started helping my manifestations and my life just took a better turn. And I've never heard anybody actually talk about this, meditation leading to manifestations. And it also led to the right manifestations, because what many people do is they try to manifest things that their ego wants, that their mind wants, that they think they want, but it's actually society or their parents who want this and not you yourself. For example, before I started taking meditation seriously, I thought that I wanted to start a translation agency, but looking back, it was just because I had experience in the translation industry and I wanted more freedom, not needing a boss. So I thought, okay, this is what I'm gonna manifest, but it's not my true joy. It's not what my soul wanted. And meditating just brought me more in touch with my soul, and I could hear the whispers of my soul and what my soul wanted. And every time I've followed through on that guidance, it's led me closer to what my true dream life is actually. Studies show meditation enhances intuition, clarity, and decision making. Exactly what speeds up growth. And I believe your soul will always want what is in your divine path, what you decided pre-birth that you wanted to experience this lifetime. And just like a river, you're heading there, but you might take many twists and turns like a river has and leading you back into the main river. But if you meditate, you go straight there. For example, with finding your soulmate. If you meditate daily, you will be much more clear of who it is that you want, and you will take less detours to getting to this person. So I urge you to make it a part of your routine, even if it means waking up 10 minutes earlier. You will feel so relaxed that it will recharge you. So decide if you want it in the morning or maybe before bed, and spend around 10 to 15 minutes at least every day, and you will see a difference. When your mind is quiet, you hear the whispers of your soul. Step 3 is to act from your higher self. And what do I mean with that? It means making choices in alignment with the vision that you're heading towards. Success and growth follow alignment, not force. When you act from your higher self, obstacles fall away. I remember around 8 or 9 years ago, I had a session with a psychic, and this was a time where I was stepping more into my spirituality, more into alignment, more into my soul. And she said, you will notice a lot of changes in your life. The way you dress, the way you eat, your hobbies, so much will change. And literally all of that happened. It was like a crumbling of my old self, making space for my new self, who is my true self. My old self was very based on people pleasing, of what society, my parents, etc. expected of me, rather than like, what do I want? For example, I have never liked alcohol, but I was drinking alcohol as a teenager in my 20s because I just felt like the weird one. I didn't want to be the one who's not fitting in. So I caved into peer pressure and I was drinking alcohol. But eventually, when I got into my 30s, I was like, why? Why do I need to? Who do I need to please? If they don't like that I don't drink, then maybe I shouldn't hang out with them. I want a life that feels delicious to me and not to other people. So before making decisions this week, ask yourself, what would my highest self do this moment? You have the ability to level up faster than most because your soul is ready. Trust it, act from it, and watch life bend in your favor. And when you do this, another good benefit of this is that your life purpose shines through. It becomes obvious to you what you want to spend your life doing, what you want to be your legacy. And if you want guidance on how to share your gifts with the world on YouTube like I do, then book a free business clarity call, link in the description. How does your dream life look like? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to turn your spiritual gifts into a freedom-based business and lifestyle, then watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Link somewhere here on this video or in the description. Love you and see you in the next video.